Welcome to Fishbowl Production. My name is Suren. Today I'm gonna do a video about a studio setup that I have. It's really not a studio. It's funny that I call it a studio. It's a DIY setup that I have that I use to edit videos and all of that. So because I need enough lighting, I'll be spending quite amount of time on a computer, and I need plenty of lights because I might be doing some drawings. If you have followed this channel for the past few months, you know that I do some drawings sometimes, and when I do drawings I have a setup where I can focus the camera on the board that I'm writing on. So I wanted to show you how that is done. Now, this may or may not be of interest to you guys, but this is just to let you know that a setup like this can be done as a DIY project for sure, and you are definitely not breaking your bank to get this setup done. And it works. It really works, and it's very portable, so you can take it from one place in the house to the next place. I do have a lighting setup as well. So without further ado, let's look at the setup that I have. So here is this setup, and I can bring in my machine here, and then I can work on it. Like, I can have the headset on. If you see the shadow there, there's a little bit of shadow, of course, but it's not as much. See that? At this height you don't even see the shadow, but if you get very close you see some shadow, but it's not that bad. So now let me disassemble the whole thing and then put it together to show you how it comes together. So turn it off. I will remove this and put it on the side. So let me actually remove the computer so I don't damage it. Also the headset. So if I were to just go about and do that, and then this thing comes out like that, and the same thing here, see, it starts falling apart, and then that is one piece, that's another piece right here. So all of these are essentially, all these are pieces that you can connect, and there you go. I mean, literally, that's how it comes together. Some of these are more pipes. Yeah. You probably already got the point, but I'm gonna continue anyways. All right, that, and that. This right here is the tricky part. As you can imagine, when you have two pieces going that way, when they intersect, I did not want this to be floating on the top, like it sits like that basically. Just this little simple work actually made it a little easier. And it is not a square setup, so you can't actually have it this way. That's why I actually had to cut this a little wider than it needed to be. That way it sits, a little as such, as opposed to that, a perfect X. So look, let me put it together, and we will hopefully be quick in putting this together. All right, that, and then that goes in here. All right, and then you will notice that I have a clip here because it serves another purpose for me. So there are times when I will have a curtain on the back. When I'm say doing an unboxing video, I actually have a curtain on the back, and I'll have the camera at this angle, and so these clips will actually hold the curtain on the back. So I have something on the backdrop. That's why. So this is pretty much done. So let me lay it flat, and I assemble the other side. Let's see. Must be 2 longer pieces here and then 2 shorter pieces. Alright, and then we'll put this thing together, and if I get it incorrect, it's okay. Alright, and that. So now I bring this together by using this. Alright, and probably bring it this way. And I can use this one here. Alright, and then now I can actually use this one on the other side. I don't know if you guys can see what I'm doing here, but this is how it goes. And then this is the final piece at the bottom here, and this piece goes up like this. Oh. There you go. See that? And then I also have this thread that serves its own purpose sometimes. Now I can put this on the top here, and that's it. Once I have this light on, again, see that versus that, this gives me plenty of light to work in it. What do you think? So I hope you like the content that are being created in this particular channel. This channel is Fizbo Production. If you've already subscribed to the channel, thank you for subscribing. If you're on the fence to subscribe to this channel, please, by all means, what are you waiting for? I will continue to have these wonderful content ideas that I want to share with you guys. So hit the subscribe button. Most importantly, share this video with someone that is looking for ideas for how to set up a workstation for a content creation. Now, like I said, I have a few videos that I've done, and they have all been linked on this video, or I will link them also in the description below. So find those videos so you can watch them and see the outcome of this particular setup. Again, this is how I exactly had it set up for for these videos. There's that one video that I'm gonna put a link to where I'm doing an unboxing. That was done on a slightly different setup where I use these clips right here to have a curtain that hangs that way. So when I'm doing the unboxing, I have the camera facing that way, and then there's a curtain, so you don't see the wall, you actually see the curtain, and then there's gonna be a nice piece of cloth at the bottom as well, so soft cloth at the bottom, so I can do the unboxing, and the camera is gonna be either here or here. And so that video is also going to be on the link description below. If you like this particular setup, I would love to read your comments down below on whether this is a setup that you like. Again, it's a very cheap setup. It works really well for what I intend to do with it. It does not break the bank for sure. And that's the purpose of DIYs, is to make sure that you have a system that you can put together quick. And again, it's very portable, by the way. I can take it anywhere, and I can, in the house, I take it all over the house. So if you like the sort of video that is being produced here, please give me a thumbs up, comment below, share with someone that you know that could use this video. With that said, please stay safe and healthy, and we will see you in the next video.